Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So today I am going to repeat the lesson once and let me give you clear idea about our lesson. Refraction of light at plane surfaces, because see, you have gone through that lesson due to some disturbance or something else. We have seen that lesson perfectly, but once let me revise you this lesson. What we have seen? Refraction. What was that refraction? Refraction means what? Light passing from one medium to another medium, we'll say it as a refraction. Getting? Light passing from one medium to another medium, we said it as a refraction. So, and see, this is an incident ray, this is a refracted ray. Incident ray, refracted ray. At the point of incidence, if you draw a line, what is that? It is a, if you, at the point of incident, if you draw a perpendicular line, it is a normal. Getting? At the point of incident, if you draw a line perpendicular, it is a normal. And see, the angle between that incident ray and the normal is the angle of incident. And the angle between this refracted ray and the normal is the angle of refraction. Getting? And now see here these mediums, Amma. I am saying refraction means light passing from one medium to another medium is a refraction. This refraction, coming to the refraction, what is that happening? Coming to the refraction, what is that? We are, see, one medium to another medium. Medium means what we are taking here, what we have taken. Rarer medium, denser medium. We are taking rarer medium, denser medium. Rarer medium means what? Light in weight. Light in weight. For example, air. If you can take here, air is a rarer medium. Denser medium, if you take water, you can take it as a water. So now here we are having some cases when light is passing. These cases are very important, Amma. The cases here means situations, not cases. Here cases means so don't think in other way. Suppose this is a rarer medium, this is a denser medium, rarer medium. Think this is our, what is that? Incident ray. Here our incident ray, here when a ray is passing, this one observe properly. Here two mediums, rarer medium, denser medium, rarer medium. So when a light is passing, when a light is incidented in a rarer medium, or when the light is incident, instead of saying that incident, when the light is passing from a rarer medium to denser medium, here this observe properly, when a light, see, I have drawn this perpendicular line. What it means? It is a normal. At this point of incident, I am drawing a normal. You focus a light, I mean incidental light. At this point of incident, incidental light. So now what is that happens? Light is passing from rarer medium to denser. So for example, denser means from air, you are focusing, I think that you are focusing a light from air into a bucket of water. Here this is a situation, from air you are focusing, like this you are focusing into the bucket of water, focus a light into the bucket of water. This is the situation, means rarer to denser. So here what is that happening? This is important, Amma. Light is coming towards a normal. Understanding? Light is coming towards a normal. So same situation. This when a light is passing. Here what I said, this is about water. What is this? This is about water, no? In this case, if you take denser medium to rarer medium, when the light is passing from denser to rarer medium, what is that happening? Light refraction, undergoing refraction, okay. The light is undergoing refraction, but refracted ray, this is very, very important, how the refracted ray is moving. See, the light ray, refracted ray is moving far away from the normal. The refracted ray is moving far away from the normal. So, what is that happening? Observe, in rarer to denser, refracted ray is coming closer to the normal. In this case, refracted ray is going far away from the normal. Understanding? These situations we are using for further topics. For further topics. Getting? All of you are getting? When the ray is passing from denser to rarer, like this happening. So now based on these situations, these are the situations we have to see, observe properly. And about total internal reflection we are going to see here. Refractive index we have seen. Refractive index means what? Speed of light in any speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in any medium. Refractive, absolute refractive index we have seen. Speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in any medium. Speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in any medium. We have seen that. And again here we have seen about total internal reflection. Total internal reflection means what? Total internal reflection means here when a light, see this reflection, see observe what I am saying. Total internal reflection, if you see total internal reflection, in this case total, observe this, the word I am using, total internal reflection means what? Actually our lesson, what is our lesson? Refraction, but we are saying about reflection. I am saying about reflection. In this case, see what is that happening? When you are focusing a light, when you are focusing a light, what is that happening here? I will show that diagram. Already you know that what is that happening. This is a situation here. This is similar to see about total internal reflection, denser, rarer medium. Important, observe. Light is focus. Light we are focusing from denser medium to rarer medium. So now denser to rarer medium. See this one, denser to rarer medium. What should happen? The ray is going far away. So now going far away. So here what is this happening here? Important thing, at one particular angle of incident, here when the ray is passing from denser to rarer, that the ray at one particular angle, see the ray, see going far away, I said going far away, moving far away from the normal. Again change that angle of incident, it is changing at one particular angle. See as I am changing the angle of incidence. What is this? Angle of incidence. Angle between incident ray and the normal ray is called as the angle of incidence. As you go on changing the angle of incidence, refracted ray is changing. Refracted angle of refraction is changing. So now what is that? See at one particular angle of incident, the refracted ray is coinciding means falling on this dividing line. Collapse means falling on that. See that refracted ray is falling on that dividing line. So now what is dividing line? This is separating line. This is whatever we are having separating medium. This is what separating medium. That is falling on that separated line. It is not compulsory. See air, water. This what is this? For us water, air. So dividing line means it is easily visible. No need of drawing that. So at one particular angle it is coinciding with that. Still if you go on changing this angle of incident, it is coming inside. I mean it is not undergoing refraction, it is coming back into the same medium. Reflection is taking place. At what angle it is coinciding, that angle will say it as a critical angle. What angle? Critical angle. At what angle it is coinciding, we will say it as a critical angle. And see as you go on increasing the critical angle, we are getting what is that? The rays, instead of undergoing refraction, they are undergoing what? Reflection. What is this phenomena? We will say it as a total internal reflection. What will say it as a total internal reflection. All of you are getting? And see, this is very important. Total internal reflection takes place when the ray is passing from denser medium to rarer medium. Total internal reflection. Two terms we will get, two words we are, main words. Critical angle, one. Critical angle 1. Again what? Here total internal reflection. Again one more what? Denser to rarer, denser to rarer. And see this whatever angles we are focusing, say I kept here, no, like this. You can use with the help of protractors, say complete protractor we will have, or else you can take two semicircular half protractors, you know, no, our protractor, this side you keep and other side you keep. Semicircular slabs will be there, glass slab thick, you know, on tables we are keeping like say what will say paper weights. If you see in that medicals or in offices, you are finding paper weights visible. Here these glass slabs in medicals or in offices, you are finding these paper weights in rectangular shape. Glass slab, and what will say it as a glass slab. See here we are using that glass slab, and we are with the help of a protractor we are finding the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, critical angle we are finding. Getting all of you? Now this is about our total internal reflection. Now coming to the point here, optical fibers we have seen. Optical fibers, what is that? Optical fibers, what they are doing? Optical fibers we have seen that where they are used in medical field, in medicals, I mean medicinal field. What is that? Doctors, they are sending that optical fibers through mouth or nose to find out the internal organs. See, these external organs visible. To find out the internal organs, they are sending the pipes. You have heard they kept pipe, they will use the word. Here they are inserting that pipe. In that pipe, optical fibers, they are very thin, very thin. Diameter will be very thin. Copper wire. So what is that? Some optical fibers which they are sending, group of fibers, katti rendu kaadu, chinna fibers untayi, many fibers together. Actually this is the main pipe. In that very thin pipes we have, very thin fibers we are having. So these fibers, what they are doing, some of them are focusing light on that internal organ, and some of them are taking out that reflected ray. When it is focused, total internal reflection, focused and again coming back. That light is focused on that organ and the reflected ray is coming back in the same medium. So now on the screen it is visible. On the screen it is visible. So to find out internal organs, we are using this concept. Which concept? Total internal reflection. And one more thing about diamonds. You know about diamonds. See, optical fibers, there is a total internal reflection not only in medical field and also in telephone. Now we are having this olden days, in previous days, they used to take cables. They used to take cables for a long distance. But now see, for catching signals everywhere, what we are using here? What we are using? Yes, with the help of the devices we are catching that signals and going on. So here this is about total internal reflection. And now coming to the point, mirages we have seen. Even in the case of mirages, in Telugu we will say it as a endamavulu. So in that what they are doing, total internal reflection only taking place. All of you are getting what I am saying? Total internal reflection is taking place in case of mirages. In case of mirages, okay, total internal reflection is taking place even in case of mirages, and we are getting that in summer season we are finding many that type of the situations. And here Snell's law. Snell's law, what is that? refract here, it is a ratio of 2, n2 by n1, we'll use that word actually, n2 by n1, n2 by n1. What is that n2? Actually n means what? Refractive index. Refractive index means what you know? Refractive index means what? It is a ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in any medium we have seen. Then again here sin I, one more Snell's law. Here what is that? Snell's law, n2 by n1, what is that? Sin I by sin r is equal to, sin I by sin r is equal to n2 by n1. Sin I by sin r is equal to n2 by n1. We have seen that. So all of you have a look about that still. And see, when you are inserting this about this phenomena, related to that phenomena, what when you are keeping a stick into the water, suppose this case, the water, bucket of water, insert a stick means straight, or else you take any long scale or any stick, insert into that water. What is that? Actually it will be straight, is it or not? So what is that? Instead of that, what is that happening? You're finding, are you finding it straight? Are you finding it straight? No, you won't find it straight. You won't find it straight. Why? And what is that happening? See, rarer medium, denser medium. Previous case I said, it is bending. You are finding that like this you are getting. Stick shape you are finding in this way. Rays are undergoing refraction, rarer medium. Why? The ray is passing from, you are observing from one medium to another medium, rarer medium to denser medium passing. So what is that taking place? Refraction. See, again if you take about this refraction case only, if you take in a bucket of water, you take see bucket of, you take any empty beaker you take, in this you insert a coin or any stone. Beaker, this is a beaker, or else you take you take a beaker, or else you take bucket, you keep a stone or any coin into that bucket. Now you can take it, think this is a coin, okay. Now if I say you to take the coin, you can easily, just by bending you will be taking the coin. Now in that again you pour, now next case you pour water into that. What is that happening when you are pouring water into that? Coin, you are finding that actually coin is bottom, at the bottom. You are finding that coin is coming upside, actually coming not, the coin will be visible at this height. It will be appeared as if it is raised. As it is raised. Is that happening? Will the coin comes up? It is more in weight. It will be compulsory. It will be immersed. But if it is appearing as if it is raised, why? What phenomena? Again refraction. See, try to insert the hand into that water and take. You will not get directly, your hand total will become wet. It is at that height itself. But as you are observing from outer, are you in the water? No. As you are observing from outside, means rarer water, it is in water, rarer to denser medium, the refraction is taking place. Refraction is taking place. This is about our phenomena. Still we have what else? See, you people, I am just revising the topic. We will be going with the next all the topics. Next lesson we are going to continue getting rarer we have seen this lateral shift we have seen. All of you are getting what I am saying. Thank you.